video. I hope everyone is doing well. In this video I will review 48 color gouache paint. This is my first time using gouache color. I have never used it before. Let's see how the colors can be used and how it looks after painting. First I am giving a shape of a girl with a pencil. I have shown Himi unboxing in my previous video. If anyone wants to see unboxing details, then check my previous video in this channel. First I am taking a green color, and the first thing I noticed is that the gouache color requires a little more water compared to acrylic color. I am used to paint with acrylic color so much, so compared to that, gouache color needs a bit more water, otherwise the color doesn't settle properly. Now on the inside I am mixing green color with a light yellow color to give it a little brighter look. Whenever the water got a little low, it was hard to mix, as you can see the texture showing up in some places. So I kept mixing the water and trying to blend it well because the color is drying very quick. There is a dark pink color and a very light pink color in the box. As I want to give some color in between, so I mix both well and then color the dress.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just
In the hair, I first give a brown color and then mixed a black color with that.
we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
problem I faced most while doing gouache colors was that the color were drying very quickly and I had to reactivate them with water again and again. Since I had a fan running in my room, so it was more complicated. I started painting directly from the cup because my colors were drying as soon as I put them onto the palette. I am adding colors one by one so that the trees look more natural and also look saturated. The good things about these colors, I would say they are very easy to use. The colors are very vibrant. There are a lot of colors which going to be last for a long time. Also, it's a budget friendly set. And some downside, I will say it was a bit difficult to blend with some colors, and the worst part is it dries very quickly, so you have to paint very fast. Otherwise, I will say that it is a good option for beginners. If you really think of trying gouache color, then give it a go. I was having trouble blending with some colors, like here I was going to do a line with purple color, but the color didn't sit well, so I had to change the background as well because that was looking bad. I outlined the hand with a pencil because I didn't want to take the risks with colors in case it got ruined. And finally the painting is done. Overall conclusion, it's a cheap student grade paint. It will be fine for sketchbook work. The open cup design looks nice. There are no tubes or fussy cups which allow the artist to just open the lid, pick up the brush and start painting. Although sticky consistency is frustrating sometimes, but overall it's okay. This video ends here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Take care. Be happy.